In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Plesk root admin password. Adjusting your root admin password periodically is an essential practice for maintaining the security and integrity of your Plesk server environment. So, let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you not only understand what to do, but also appreciate why it's important. First, you'll want to navigate to your Plesk dashboard. Once you're there, look for the navigation pane, usually located on the left-hand side of your screen. This panel is a handy hub that leads you to various settings and important features. In this pane, we're specifically looking for the Change Password link. You might have to scroll down a bit or collapse some tabs to find it, but it's fairly prominent, so you shouldn't have much trouble locating it. Once you've found the Change Password link, give it a click. This will open up a new window or panel where you can input both your old password and the new password you wish to create. Now, you might be wondering, why is it necessary to enter the old password? This is an important security measure that ensures you're the rightful administrator making the change and not someone who has gained unauthorized access to your account. When you enter your old password, be sure to double-check its accuracy. It's worth the few extra seconds to ensure you don't run into any authentication issues. Now, shifting focus to creating your new password, it's crucial to choose a strong, unique password to safeguard your server's security. A good password generally includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessed passwords like password 103 or your birth date. If you opt for something that's more complex, consider using a reputable password manager to keep track of it securely. After you've entered both passwords, the next step is to click the OK button. This action finalizes the change and applies your new password to the root admin account. It's that simple. If everything is entered correctly, you should get a confirmation message indicating that the change was successful. If you encounter any error messages, take the time to carefully re-enter your details, paying special attention to accuracy. Keep in mind that changing your password occasionally is a best practice in managing server security. By doing this, along with employing other security measures, you significantly lower the risk of unauthorized access to your server. That's it for today's tutorial. With this change, you now have increased control and security over your Plesk environment. Thanks for watching.